Back in 1994, I was a young fella hanging out with my dad. My dad's reading the Trader Boat magazine, which is essentially the buy, swap and sell of boats. My dad's turned to me and he's gone, "Hey son, check this thing out." And he shows me a photo of the Sir Joseph Banks, we ended up naming it. And he said, "You want to go and have a look at it?" So it was more or less brand new, in mint condition. So we couldn't pass it up. Ringing the bank manager, I can still remember I was hanging out of the phone box, Dad's on the phone in the old, phone booth. So the bank manager goes, "Des, that's cheaper than a Land Cruiser. Just write the guy a check, I'll cover it." And at that point, we became owners of a LARC. Not that we knew what LARC actually stood for. We didn't realise at the time how iconic it would be. It was our vision to create this iconic tour, but to be known globally now as leaders in ecotourism and such a fantastic tourism product, carrying hundreds of thousands of people over the years, showcasing our natural beauty and bringing people closer to nature.